Y ahorita vamos a ingresar a la vida secreta de las mascotas.
What are you puppies staring at?
Chloe!
Oh, hey, Gidget.
Are you okay?
What? What do you mean?
You seem like you need help.
No, I do not need help. No, Gidget, stop. So, I do not need help. Put that down, put that down. Please, help! Not! Help it!
Honey, Steppy.
Agreed.
Whoa, Chloe! Look at all the puppies! Look at those cute little expressions on their faces! Aww!
Probably, yeah.
My name is Gidget, and this here is...
Nobody, do not learn my name. We will not be friends.
She's kidding.
Nope.
Come on, Chloe! We can't just ignore them! They probably... Oh, a fly! That's got my focus. Hey, fly, do you need any help? Hey, little dude, I'm here for you. Okay, go.
Dogs. Well, it looks like that's your cue to leave. Anyway, I'd say it's been great, but, you know, who are we kidding?
Tan increíbles estas pantallas. Aquí.
We all gonna look real quick. Who's next? There's nothing happening yet. Oh, yeah, there's a dog there. Oh, there's a dog now. No, I should have done that before. No, he's running around. Oh, look at girl. Oh, it might be funny. She's running around. No. That's super cute.
Es increíble cómo se mueve.
Oh my god.
Algo que me ha impresionado muchísimo desde Universal Studios es el uso de las pantallas. Las pantallas es increíble en todos los juegos, en los roller coasters, todo está impresionante. Realmente es increíble lo que hacen con la tecnología y cómo la aprovechan. Otra de las cosas que les puedo comentar es que ahorita en tiempos de pandemia las líneas, las filas las están haciendo en el exterior, por lo cual la mayoría tiene techos, pero sí tienen que soportar un poco el sol para que vengan considerando eso.
Great news is, I found a friend. Look at this fluffy son of a gun. He could be my twin. Hello, handsome. Oh no, this is just a dust bunny. Just a clump of dust. Not gonna lie, pretty disappointing. Still a cool guy though.
Otra de las cosas que les puedo comentar es que los bebederos están cerrados, están cancelados por tiempo de pandemia. Entonces, si pueden traerse una agüita, estaría bien, pero consideren que van a hacer ese gasto de comprar varias aguas en el transcurso. Lo más económico que los pueden conseguir son $4 más impuestos, para que consideren.
Oh, Max, look, more puppies are coming. He throws the ball and then waits for them to get it and then throws it again.
I mean, no one. They're strays.
That is so sad.
Yeah, but on the bright side, they are all super adorable, except that one. Yikes.
Well, that settles it. You guys are all sleeping over.
Wait.
We're gonna have a slumber party.
We
We'll
can't.
play tug of war. We'll tell spooky stories. I'll go first. Mine's about a dog who was bitten by a squirrel, and he starts becoming a were-squirrel. Oh, it's so scary.
Duke, these puppies look super nice, don't get me wrong, but we can't possibly take in all of them.
Oh, you're right.
Good.
We'll just keep a few.
Hey, I'll tell you what. Why don't you puppies go see Captain Snowball? He lives to help animals. Good guy. Crazy, but a good guy.
He's just down the hall that way.
By the way, it's your turn.
Okay. Whoa.
I'm gonna win.
Oh, this is too stressful. Can't we play biscuit checkers or tic-tac-toe?
What? You only bring it back about halfway? Why?
Because the longer you drink, the more treats you get.
Welcome to the treat spot.
I got a treat.
No! See, this is the kind of thing that won't get you adopted. People do not like to have their stuff chewed. Listen and learn, puppies. Look, we gotta find you guys a family while you're still puppies. We got a ticking clock, and you're not getting any cuter. Luckily for you puppies, there's an adoption event happening right now at the pet store just a few blocks away. But we gotta hurry. Adoption day is almost over. Plus, if I'm being totally honest, I do not have the greatest attention span. This thing goes on for more than like another
El personaje que hace Snowball en inglés es la voz de Kevin Hart y en español la realiza Eugenio Derbez. ¿Ah? Ah, mira, soy un perrito. ¡Wow!
Está padre porque levantas la mano y levantas la patita.
And in dog years, that's even less time.
Isn't this exciting, Max? I feel like I'm doing an accident.
Remember to listen to Snowball.
Brother Jones, some of us get boxes, some of us get super cool high-tech drones. Come on, go down this dark house. Don't worry, if there was danger,
Está increíble
my
esto.
citizens would warn us. This is Captain
Alrededor. Está increíble esto. Qué creepy.
These rockets gonna get us to the pet store twice as fast. Change of plans. I'm just gonna strap myself to a rocket. These rockets gonna get us to the pet store twice as fast. Change plans. Strap myself to a rocket. Ouch! Fire!
not gonna get adopted looking like that. Gotta get you cleaned up first.
You made it. Cleaned out. I mean, actually, it should be. This plan is crazy. It shouldn't work.
This is gonna be great. You're gonna be all clean and fluffy, and you're gonna get adopted in no time.
Vaya.
Ooh, you guys are not gonna get adopted looking like that. Gotta get you cleaned up first.
Un vaguito. Vamos a hacer perritos otra vez. Ay, ya estoy todo mojado, mira. Ay, estoy temblando. Estoy temblando. Me seco, me seco. Está increíble esto. Soy un pastor alemán. Amé eso. Solo por eso vale muchísimo la pena la atracción. Chay, me van a adoptar. Pues esta va a ser mi nueva familia. ¡Bienvenido a casa! It's party time, baby. Esto se va a descontrolar. Tan increíbles. Bueno, vagos, nos despedimos desde el Parque Universal. Y ya saben, no olviden seguirme a través de mis redes sociales, @Mafedian en Twitter, Instagram y Foursquare, y Vagando con Mafedian en Facebook. Suscríbanse al canal, activen la campanita, vienen muchos videos de este lugar, vienen de todos los rollers, viene uno en general y demás. Realmente suscríbanse y nos vemos en el siguiente. Bye.